Hello, hello. You want to start digital art? Here are 5 things you need to know before you start digital art. Let's get started. You're wondering what's the best brushes, best software, the best tablet, but at the end, what matters the most is your skill. Your skill matters the most. There's a lot of difference compared to digital art. Yeah, you can just make amazing art with free um, free stuff, free software. That's all you need, and you don't even need a tablet with a display. Like I have gotten a tablet the 2 years and barely used it. I'm so mad at myself that I didn't took the time and practice. I'm thinking always, yeah, the right moment is going to come, and I will be using it. But the moment will never come. Don't need to set up to create something. You don't need the best app or anything else. All you need is your skill. And the thing is, digital art feels weird at first. You can expect yourself the first pieces. Well, let's say all of your pieces are gonna feel off. Now let's watch my stuff. Look at this. It's not looking good. Oh, look at this. It's also not looking good. You want to know why? Because everything that you learned from digital art, you have to relearn. From everything that you learn from traditional art, you have to relearn. But because it's way different. It's not the same thing. Because I made the mistake. Hey, I'm just gonna wait for the perfect setup. But you don't need that. You just start. Just always. Just do. You know those motivation videos you get on TikTok? Just do. Nothing more. Just doing. What's also a good thing is layers are your best friend. You see, I'm using it like this. I have my weird sketch, what I'm thinking of. Once you land them, they change your workflow forever. So you have to know how to use them. Also, you have to learn software, the shortcuts. That's gonna save a lot of time. Like undo, zooming in. Not everything is the same from the software, I think. If you want to undo something, it's Control Z. Zoom in a space bar plus dragging. I'm not sure. I have it on my pen. I'm using it on my pen. You know, I have 2 buttons when I'm drawing right now. I don't have to go on my keyboard, press it. I just click it on my pen. That's also a way to do it. Also, what's a thing you need to know? Your style is going to be much different than mine, much different than others. If you're looking at Wlop, link is in the description if you want to watch more of him. I don't know any better artists besides him. What I'm trying to say is that your art style is going to change if you're going to draw digital. Traditional art is much different to digital art. It's that simple to say. Because in traditional art, you're just sketching, making some shadows. And in digital art, you're taking your time, layers to layers, coloring, lightning. Your art style is going to change over time. Like your current art style maybe look good on paper, but if you're going to digital art, it's gonna be much different, way different. Well, that's it for now. Digital art is an awesome journey, but it's still our practice, patience, and passion. Hit follow for more tips and go make something cool today. Really important. It's really important to make something cool. You done something. I mean, look at the sketch. It's the best thing I could say. look at the line art, look at it overall. I mean, it's not bad, but then you see the coloring, it comes all together. It doesn't look that bad, but it could be better. You know, you have to learn the stuff. That's the issue. Like, don't make the same mistake as I did. See you next time. That's it. Follow for more art tips. See you next week.